nurtures life. She symbolizes stability. She is reliable, peaceful, and tranquil. Life, in the form of plants and animals, thrive here in abundance, bringing beauty and joy. It is this joy that makes the planet a haven for celebration. She is the strengthening foundation of our race.
See a droplet slither across a window pane? Or the tap dance of the rain? Ever see the graceful, seamless movement of a winding river? The veiled beauty of a waterfall? Or the effortless movement of the waves? From her movements, she unleashes her inner energy. From the singular note of a droplet to the crescendo produced from a wave, she defines the music art form, both solo and the vibrancy of an orchestra. Ever hear water drip from a faucet? Or the rhythm of the rain? Ever hear the pitch and roar of a waterfall?
Space, supposed to have been created about 13 billion years ago, is a boundless region of the infinite, consisting of the unlimited and incalculable dimensional realm of our cosmos. This continuous expanse, extending in all directions,
jum, taka jum 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 jum.